Building a modern poultry processing plant starts with the right solution. A complete 1000 BPH poultry processing line designed for efficient chicken processing. From stunning, scalding and plucking to evisceration and chilling solutions. Every project is designed according to our customers' production needs. Helping poultry processors improve efficiency, hygiene and production capacity. From equipment manufacturing to installation and technical support. W Machinery supports poultry projects worldwide. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.